Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to contact Twitter about a deceased family member's account. Losing a loved one is never easy, and it can be difficult to know what to do with their online presence. If your family member had a Twitter account, you may be wondering how to handle it and preserve their memories. In this guide, we'll show you how to contact Twitter about a deceased family member's account. With just a few simple steps, you can honor your loved one's memory and keep their presence alive on Twitter. Let's get started. Open your web browser and type twitter.com in the web address bar. At the bottom right, click on the Log In button. Type the email of your deceased family member and click on the Next button. Enter the password of your deceased family member and click on the Log In button. You will receive a confirmation code in your email. Enter that code in the box and click on the Next button. After logging in, click on More on the left side menu panel. Click on Settings and Support from the menu list, and then click on the Help Center. Click on Contact Us at the top right. Scroll down the page and click on Problems with Account Access. In the Account Access page, click on the first drop-down, and then select the option of I'd like to deactivate or close my account. Click on the next drop-down list of how we can help you with your account. Select the last option of I need help deactivating an account owned by a person who is incapacitated or deceased. Now read every option carefully given in the form and provide the required information. After completely filling the form, click on the Submit button. Wait for a response from Twitter. They will review your request and will take appropriate action, which may include memorializing the account, removing sensitive information, or providing a download of the account data. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.